We have this battery-powered Razor Quad that the battery is not charging very long anymore. You ride it for, I don't know, a couple minutes and it dies. So I'm going to change the batteries out and I'll show you how to do it. So for this, I've got the 2 new batteries there, wiring harness there, and I've got some liquid electrical tape, which should hold the connections together, make it a little bit waterproof. I'll show you how to do this. Turn the quad on the side. The batteries that we're going to be replacing are in this right here. So the first things we're going to do is take off the steps, and then we're going to unscrew this, replace those batteries. To take the side step off, what you're going to do is you're going to unscrew these screws here. These are all Phillips head, and then these 2 are Allen key. Now these ones over here have a little nut on the back side, so you're going to want to put a wrench on there to hold that nut while you unscrew it. Make sure you don't lose the pieces. Also of note, there are little washers behind all of these, so try not to lose those because you're going to need them when you put it back on. The nut on the back there is an 8mm, so you're going to need an 8mm wrench to hold that on. With all those screws out, you can kind of just shimmy out the step here, and there you go. And then that's going to give us access to the battery compartment. With that removed, turn it around, do the same thing on the opposite side. I turn this back on its side. What you're going to have to do now to take this panel off is there's 3 screws there. Use a long screwdriver, get in there. It's Phillips head. And then we'll unscrew these with an Allen. All right, now we've exposed where the batteries are. What we're going to do is take the bracket off that holds the batteries down, Allen key there, and we should be able to pull the batteries straight out. With the bracket off, what you can do is you're going to unclip this harness up in there, and also take these batteries out. There's a little bit of dampening material underneath the batteries. Make sure you keep that for when you reinstall. All right, this is the old battery. We're going to match the wiring harness onto this one. We're going to take these little clips off of here, and then put our liquid electrical tape to make sure that we're covering and connecting the connections well, and then we'll reinstall. All right, while I am waiting for my liquid tape to dry, I figured I'd put the batteries back in, put the harness back in, and put it on charge. And then basically from all you're gonna do here is repeat the process, but in reverse, and everything will be back together. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you guys have a lot of fun with new battery. Thanks.